Hey, to turn on edge lighting for the incoming notifications on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, you have to just go to the settings. Now you have to scroll down and you have to move into the notifications. Then select a notification pop-up style and move into the edge lighting style. As default, it's actually turned off, but if you want to get this, for example, let's pick Echo. And as you can see here, we got this style. Still, we can customize it. So for example, let's go for the color and let's the red color. Also, we can go for the more advanced, so we can set the transparency for this effect, but also the duration. So as you can see now, it's actually more visible. It's actually longer on the screen. And from this, we can actually change this effect. So we can get, for example, the bubbles, hearts, from this, fireworks, we get the spotlight at the top and eclipse also at the top. And we can click down to finish. And that's how it looks. Right now, please subscribe.